After watching this video, you'll know what project charter is and how you can create it. Chapter 1. Contents. A project charter is a formal, written document that provides a high-level overview of a project and formally authorizes its existence. It serves as a foundational document that outlines the project's purpose, objectives, scope, stakeholders, and initial requirements. The project charter is typically created during the project initiation phase and is developed by the project sponsor or initiator in collaboration with the project manager. Here are 10 key components typically included in a project charter. 1. Project title. The name or title of the project, which should be clear, descriptive, and easily identifiable. 2. Project description. A brief description of the project, including its purpose, objectives, and intended outcomes. This section provides context for the project and explains why it is being undertaken. 3. Project objectives. Clear and measurable goals that the project aims to achieve. Objectives should be specific, realistic, and aligned with organizational goals and priorities. 4. Project scope. Defines the boundaries and deliverables of the project, outlining what is included and excluded from the project. It helps prevent scope creep and ensures clarity among stakeholders. Scope creep refers to the gradual expansion or addition of project scope, objectives, or deliverables beyond the original agreed-upon boundaries. It often occurs when new requirements, features, or changes are introduced to the project without proper evaluation or approval. 5. Stakeholder identification. Identification of key stakeholders involved in or affected by the project, including their roles, responsibilities, and interests. This ensures that stakeholders are engaged and their expectations are managed throughout the project lifecycle. 6. Project constraints and assumptions. Any limitations, constraints, or assumptions that may impact the project, such as budget constraints, resource availability, or regulatory requirements. These factors help set realistic expectations and guide decision-making. 7. Project risks. Identification of potential risks or uncertainties that may impact project success, along with initial risk assessments and mitigation strategies. This helps project teams anticipate and manage risks proactively. 8. Project milestones and timeline. High-level milestones and timeline for key project activities and deliverables. This provides a roadmap for project execution and helps track progress against planned deadlines. 9. Project sponsor and approvals. Identification of the project sponsor, who provides authority and support for the project, as well as any other stakeholders who need to approve the project charter. 10. Project manager and team. Appointment of the project manager and key team members responsible for executing the project. This ensures clarity of roles and responsibilities within the project team. The project charter is a critical document that formalizes the project's initiation and provides a basis for detailed planning, execution, and control. It is often used as a reference throughout the project lifecycle to ensure alignment with project objectives and stakeholder expectations. Additionally, the project charter may be updated or revised as needed to reflect changes in project scope, objectives, or other factors. Chapter 2. Example. Here's an example of a project charter for a hypothetical project. Project charter. Project title, Website Redesign Project. Project description. The website redesign project aims to overhaul the company's existing website to enhance user experience, improve functionality, and align with current branding guidelines. The redesigned website will serve as the primary online platform for showcasing products, services, and company information. Project objectives. 1. Improve user experience and usability of the website. 2. Enhance website functionality to support online sales and customer engagement. 3. Update website design to reflect current branding guidelines and visual identity. 4. Optimize website performance for search engine visibility and user accessibility. Project scope. Redesigning the website layout, navigation, and user interface. Updating website content, graphics, and multimedia elements. Integrating e-commerce functionality for online product sales. Implementing search engine optimization, SEO, best practices. Testing and quality assurance of the redesigned website. Training staff on website management and maintenance. Stakeholder identification. Project sponsor, name. Project manager, name. Website development team. Marketing department. Sales department. Customer service department. External web development agency. Project constraints and assumptions. Budget. The project budget is limited to $50,000. Timeline. The project must be completed within 6 months. Resource availability. Availability of internal and external resources may impact project scheduling. Regulatory compliance. The redesigned website must comply with relevant privacy and data protection regulations. Project risks. Scope creep. Additional requirements may be requested during the project, impacting timeline and budget. Technical challenges. Integration of new features and functionalities may pose technical challenges. Stakeholder expectations. Managing stakeholder expectations and feedback throughout the project lifecycle. Project milestones and timeline. 1. Project kickoff and planning, month 1. 2. Website design and development, months 2-4. 3. Testing and quality assurance, month 5. 4. Website launch and deployment, month 6. Project sponsor and approvals. Name, title, project sponsor. This is a simplified example of a project charter for a website redesign project. The actual content and details may vary depending on the specific requirements, objectives, and constraints of the project. The project charter provides a formal framework for initiating and managing the project, ensuring alignment with organizational goals and stakeholder expectations. Thanks for watching. In this channel, we introduce a variety of knowledge mainly related to technology. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day ahead.